Cuisinart PrepExpress food processor shreds, slices, and spiralizes with ease. And the fact that it has two feed tubes, a vertical and an angled feed tube, allows you to use the cutting cones, all four of them, and get 8 different cutting options. Now I'm going to make garlic dill pickles, and it's going to be a simple overnight recipe that gives incredible flavor to just average English cucumbers. I'm going to use the crinkle cut slicer. Let's get started. With my pickling liquid heating on the stove, all I have to do is just trim the cucumber, and then its silent operation is what makes it so great in the kitchen, running, and the pusher, which keeps my hands free and away from the cutting surfaces. Look at these gorgeous garlic dill pickles. I made these in just minutes. I know what you're thinking. You're imagining all of the different things that you can make, all of your favorites, from your garden, from the local grocer or market, but the Cuisinart PrepExpress makes it effortless. Get into the kitchen and start slicing.